Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a photo on the Photos application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Photos application. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, now what we will do is navigate to the photo that we did import in the previous tutorials. Click on this. Right click. Delete photo. A prompt is shown on screen. Do you want to delete this photo? Are you sure you want to delete this photo? Yes, we are. Click on delete. As you can now see, the photo itself has been deleted. On the left hand side navigation menu, we see this recently deleted photo pop up on screen. Click on this and there we have the photo. Click on this again. Delete one photo. Are you sure you want to delete one photo permanently? This cannot undo the action. That's okay. Delete. And so the photo that was in the library has now been deleted forever, cannot be recovered. We can now quit photos. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.